Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Every day we are giving seven sums in chemistry. Okay, today I am going to give 7 sums in hydrocarbon chapter. This is a chapter in 11th standard. Okay, so I am going to dictate 7 sums. So next day I will give the problem to these sums. Understood? So first of all, now see the sum, all of you. First question, CH3CONA reacts with soda lime to form A. The same CH3CONA on electrolysis to get B. Identify the common A and B. That's the question. Okay. Option A, methane, ethane. Option B, ethane, methane. Option C, ethane, ethane. Option D, methane, ethane. Okay. Now see the next one. Second question. The reactions of 2-methyl propanol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin gives option A, but-1-ene, option B, but-1-ene, option C, 2-methyl propene, option D, 2-methyl propane. Third question, Voss analysis of 2-methyl but-2-ene followed by zinc in presence of H2O gives option A, propanone and ethanol, option B, ethanol and propanone, option C, propanol and propanone, option D, ethanol and propanol. Understood? So you must know Voss analysis process. Then only you can be able to answer this. It's very important process, Voss analysis process. Okay. We'll be getting aldehyde or sometimes only aldehyde or sometimes only ketone or sometimes aldehyde and ketone. Okay. So Voss analysis process, if you know, means you can be able to answer them. Fourth question, when HBr adds to but-1-ene in presence of benzoyl peroxide to form dash. Okay, HBr alkene, no, nothing but simply remember Markovnikov rule. If this is not given means Markovnikov rule. The benzyl peroxide is given means called anti-Markovnikov rule. There's a difference. Okay. Option A, 2-bromobutane. Option B, 1-bromobutane. Option C, 2-bromobutene. Option D, 1-bromobutene. Okay. Next one. Fifth one. The number of sigma bond and pi bond in benzene. Simple question. You have to draw the structure for benzene. You have to find out how many sigma bond and how many pi bond. Simple one. Option A is 6 sigma and 3 pi bond. Option B, 3 sigma and 6 pi bond. Option C, 3 sigma and 12 pi bond. Option D, 12 sigma and 3 pi bond. Understood? Okay. Sixth question. The order of hybridization sp3, sp2 and sp2. Once again sp2. 2 times sp2 is coming. Okay. It's not a mistake. It's a real one. Okay. Order. We have each and every carbon. We have to find out the hybridization. Understood? What's hybridization of this carbon? What's hybridization of this carbon? What's hybridization of this carbon? Okay. So orderly. Then only I given 3 carbon oriented compounds. Understood? Option A, CH3, CH double bond CH2. Option B, CH2 double bond CH, CH3. Option C, CH3, C triple bond CH. Option D, CH triple bond C, CH3. Okay. So each and every carbon we have some hybridization. The hybridization orderly you have to find out. Okay. That's a question. Simple one. Find B of the following. I want only B. I don't want A. But A only. A you have to find out. Then we can be able to find out B. Okay. It's a it's an intermediate product. Okay. Then only given only find B of the following. See, CH3CH double bond CH CH3 on Voss analysis to get A, which on reacts with zinc in presence of H2O to get B. Option A, ethanol. Option B, propanol. Option C, propanone. Option D, butanone. Okay. So this also I told you. I given among the 7 sums, 2 sums I have given based on Voss analysis. So study the Voss analysis process correctly. Then we can answer this one. Understood? Okay. The next day I will give the solution to this question. Okay. Thank you, students.